Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe when you see my videos. We've got another Proshock Ninco car, item number 50436, Mitsubishi Lancer, 50436, Mitsubishi Lancer. This is a Proshock car, and there's the car. You got your Proshocks, motor, everything. You want to adjust, you want to make sure everything's in the place. You see my last video, show one of the gears were popped out. Now, we did a take on this before, and the car wouldn't run, okay? We had it going around. This is funny, too. So we had it going around, and every time I came around here, it slowed down. Well, we cut because I didn't want to try to fix it while I'm on camera live. Well, we found out that a screw had come right in the track, and it was short-circuiting the track. Okay, so, but again, this is a great, fun car, okay, because it's a great car for kids. Four-wheel drive, a little slower, but a lot of fun. 20,000 RPM motor. You could take this motor and put in another car. But my prices on these are just phenomenal. This is a Mitsubishi Lancer. Beautiful interior. Look really well. Kids will really love this to race. Okay, so let's screw this on real quick here. All right, and don't forget to put down there, if you want to see me do a video, a special video, just tell me to do a special video, okay? And, you know, I won't say that I'm the expert in slot cars. I just basically, you know, I know slot cars, and for you to be a happy customer. There we go, four-wheel drive, awesome, look at that. Look at that, that is so sweet, and that is your Mitsubishi Lancer. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe.